box. The first aid box is a collection of supplies and equipment. This gives to medical treatment. We need to first aid box to deal minor accidents and injuries immediately. This is antiseptic lotion. It helps to clean germs. This is scissor. It helps to cut bandage. This is antiseptic cream. It helps to clean germs. This is cotton. It helps to heal up injuries. This is thermometer. It helps to check temperature. This is bandage. It helps to dress up injuries. Thank you.